some walls and I've got some boxes and I want to get some lines running towards each. So I'm just going to choose a random box and then I'm going to choose a secondary random box. Don't forget to hit shift so that you've got them both. And then what we're going to do, we're going to hit shift again, but we're going to press A at the same time. So here we go. We're going into curve, we're going to go into knots, and then the cantenary, I can't even pronounce that, but yeah, that one. And you'll notice that we've got a line here. Now if you go into the bottom here, you'll see a lot of different options. The only problem is my my screen keys are in the way, so I'm just going to turn these off at the moment. Okay, so you can make this as long as short as you want. You can give it a couple of weird things. I mean, like, I would just say experiment with it a little bit. But now you see that we've got a line just there going between these two boxes. Let me see. So, random seed 1, you've got all this kind of stuff that you can just mess around with it. Just see what works for you. You can make it thicker or thinner. Yeah, if I just turn on the render here, you can also see the wire coming across. I'm just going to rotate my sun a little bit so you guys can see that. So we've got the wire there. To change the colour, you just go to the materials section and you can just go ahead and change that.